Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD. And right now, the fiber is standing at 1.1226. This is the current market price. If you look at the overall chart of Euro USD, then you will see that things have not changed much. As a result, the number of opportunities are still very limited. My dear friend, if possible, try to focus on other pairs because there are multiple opportunities available on other pairs in comparison to Euro USD. You should be loyal towards making money, not towards any particular pair. And right now, Euro USD is not the right option for any trader. Euro USD was trading in a very narrow range. Yesterday we saw that there was a breakdown kind of a scenario. Market immediately bounced from FIBO 23.6% retracement level and market entered again inside the zone. So you can see that market is still trading inside the zone only. If you look at the dollar index, then dollar index, as we all know it very well, the DXY dollar index is weak, both fundamentally and technically. And our range is still very much valid, the range of 100.80 to 101 on the upside, and we have 99.57 to 99.50 on the downside. 99.57, 99.50, this is not a proper support. This is a temporary support made by market from where dollar is trying to recover. But as I said, the DXY is weak both fundamentally and technically, as a result of which there is immense pressure, and yes, things are not very positive. In case DXY tries to recover also, it will face resistance at each and every level. And this is our first level. The previous support will be working as resistance. So this is the range of DXY right now. And today we have a news coming up. If you look at the economic calendar, then you can see that we have jobless claims. Jobless claims is not a big event like NFP or CPI, but still there will be some volatility in the market. So beginners, new traders with low capital, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. There is no magic in the market. Be a trader, not a gambler. Try to close down all your US dollar positions because of extreme volatility. Your stop losses may not work, so do not gamble. And let's talk about Euro USD right now. As I said yesterday also, that Euro USD is trading inside a range, as a result of which trading opportunities are quite less. So today during the day, if market drops, listen to me carefully, if market drops, then the best support on the chart of Euro USD will be around 1.11, so 1110. Let's make it 1110 to 1.1100. This is the best support on the chart of Euro dollar right now. And the reason is we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. We are focusing on FIBO here. We are also considering this to be the best support for today, only because it worked yesterday. So we can definitely hope that this will work today as well, because FIBO 38.2 is a better level in comparison to FIBO 23.6. so in case market drops also, this will be the support for the day. You can simply mark 1.1100, on the chart and wait for the market. If market takes support, if you see the market is showing price rejection from below, you can definitely click on the buy button. I'm not talking about any trend reversal here. As a day trader, at least you can expect a trade of 25 to 30 pips around this level. And moreover, 1.1100 is a round number. As we all know that around these round numbers, bulk order execution takes place, as a result of which these round numbers also act as psychological support and resistances. Not only in forex market, in stock market, commodity market, in each and every market of the world, you'll always find that these round numbers work as psychological support resistances. And around this level, the maximum stop loss hunting also takes place. And before this level, we also have support from the 200 moving average. You can see the red line, the 200 moving average is also coming up. So you can also expect the market to get some dynamic support around this area. In case of a drop, observe the market. If market takes support and bounces, we can go for a buy. I will not recommend any sell position on the chart right now, considering the overall trend of the market. Trend is our friend, trend is our soulmate. Okay, so the trend of the market is extremely bullish, we cannot deny that. Considering the overall trend of the market, respecting the overall trend of the market, we should be looking for buy position only, because there should not be any doubt the number of buyers are quite high in this market. Okay, so buy at retracement is the best trading strategy. Yesterday also I mentioned, and during the day, if you see that market is going up and market reaches 1.1276, then observe the market. You can simply switch to 15 minutes time frame also. Okay, if you see the market is struggling around this area, market reverses, you can look for a sell, quick sell position, not a big sell, because after all the market is extremely bullish and this is just a previous high, not a very strong resistance, not a previous trend reversal level. Okay, if market shows price rejection from above, if you see the market is struggling around this area, you can look for a quick sell. How much you can expect? 20-25 pips. Personally, okay, in this type of market where there is not much volatility and market is also in uptrend, I will always look for a scalping opportunity only, 1.1276, because there's a good chance, there's a high chance that market will be out of the range soon. Market will break 1.1276 soon. If market breaks this level by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, no, day after tomorrow holiday, okay, by next week, you can look for a buy, because no market in the world goes up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. Okay, market always gets high volatile, market takes rest for a while, consolidation, and market continues the trend again. So you can also consider that market is taking rest right now so that the market can get bullish again. Okay, so if market breaks 1.1276, definitely you can consider it as a breakout and you can go for a buy. That's why I said that if market reverses also from 1.1276, you need to be careful and just consider it as a scalping opportunity. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. If I have missed anything, please write down in a comment section. I would love to learn from you. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and please follow proper risk management, because this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Okay, so please do your own research. Bye bye, take care. Again, I'll say, do not gamble.